Hi there, Harris Waddles here with Amba Heated Towel Racks. Today I'm going to walk you through swapping out the heating element on our Jeeves collection towel racks or moving the element from the right to the left. Before we start, please turn off the circuit breaker powering your towel rack to ensure there's no live voltage. If your rack is already installed and wired, you'll need to unmount it first. With the rack off the wall, flip it upside down so that the hard wiring point is now at the top. Locate the small set screw on the L-shaped tube covering the element's cable exit point. Using a 3mm Allen key, loosen this set screw just enough so the tube slides off. With the tube removed, you'll see the top of the heating element. Grab your 27mm wrench and be prepared to apply some force, as these can be snug. Turn the element counterclockwise to unscrew it, then pull it straight out of the rack. Take your new heating element and insert it into the opening. Hand start the threads, then use your wrench to tighten it snugly. Don't over-torque, but make sure it's watertight. Slide the tube back over the element's cable exit, then re-engage the set screw with your Allen key. Tighten until the tube is secure and aligned flush with the bar. Now you can rewire the rack and reinstall it on the wall just like you normally would. Restore power at the breaker and you're all set. If you need to move the heating element from the right to the left side, start by going to the left end of the rack. There's a tube at the bottom that covers the end of the vertical bar. First, pop off the small plastic cap on the end of that tube. Just unscrew that with a screwdriver and remove the end cover. Now you'll see the metal threaded end cap inside the tube. Use your 27mm wrench to unscrew and remove this cap. Once the cap is out, you can switch over to the right side and remove the heating element, just like we showed earlier. Take that heating element and insert it into the left side where you just removed the cap. Thread it in by hand, then tighten it snugly with your wrench, but don't overdo it. Now take the metal cap you just took off the left and screw it onto the right end of the rack. Put the end tube cover back on the left, flip it over the cable, and tighten the set screw. Finally, replace the end tube over the end cap now on the right side. At this point, you're ready to rewire and reinstall your rack as you normally would. If you do lose any liquid during the process, or if you notice the unit needs a refill, just use regular tap water. The main thing is not to overfill. Never fill higher than halfway up the first horizontal bar, the bottom bar while the unit is upside down. That's enough to keep things working right. And that's it. Swapping or moving the heating element is pretty straightforward once you see it done. If you have any questions or run into trouble, our support team is always happy to help. Just reach out to us by chat or visit us at ambaproducts.com.